Welcome back. We're about to rip through 3 blister packs from Meijer. These, of course, are the purple parallel packs. As you can see at the bottom, someone has tampered with each of them. We checked them, the parallels are still in there. I guess these thieves didn't find what they wanted. Let us know in your comments if you've noticed a lot of thieves ripping and throwing cards. We have noticed it big time at our local Meijer. Let's get to it.
Joe Ryan, purple parallel rookie debut. That's a great hit. Alex Dickerson. Corey Dickerson. Jeremy Pena, rookie debut. Nice hit. Chad Kuhl. Colby Allard. Albert Pujols. Dylan Tate. Sean Mania. Ryan Bannon, rookie. Connor Plinkington, rookie. Infield crew. Pulled many of those. Ross Stripling. Hanser Alberto. Joe Kelly. Oh, Hunter Greene. Chrome insert. Stars of the MLB rookie. Nice. Oh, we just hit the Derek Jeter photo variation short print. That's a nice hit to have. A very great card of a great player. The Max Scherzer stars of the MLB. Steve Cishek, purple parallel. Ledmies Diaz, purple parallel. Nice hit. Joe Donato, rookie. Archie Bradley, former Red. Jonathan Lasiga. Jason Crazon, rookie. Camley Jansen. Josh Wender, rookie. Gary Sanchez. Ethan Roberts, rookie. Derek Hill. Eric Fetty. MJ Melendez, rookie card with Bobby Witt on it. One Last Dance, St. Louis. Corey Kluber. Cole Sulser. Oh, nice hit. Royce Lewis, 87 insert rookie. Nice. And Austin Riley. Cleveland, rookie combos, purple parallel. Manny Pena, purple parallel. Rookie combos, White Sox. Stars Collide, Twins. Picture Perfect of the Padres. Sean Doolittle. Chad Greene. Alec Thomas, rookie debut. Taylor Hearn. Joe Perez, rookie. Jesus Sanchez. Steven Duggar. Joe Ryan, rookie debut. Alex Dickerson. Roberto Perez. Carlos Correa, stars of the MLB Chrome insert. Oh, Gerardo Perdomo, rainbow foil insert. That's a nice hit. And Shane Baz, rookie stars of the MLB.
Do us a favor and subscribe, leave a thumbs up. Have a great day. Peace.